So 3, we have graphical method. 4, we have formula method. Today I'll be teaching you quadratic by factorization method. Okay. Now we have here y plus 7y plus 6 equals 0. What I need to times, that'll give you 6, and when you add, it give you what? 7. We are going to be using 1 and 6. Okay. And before I could proceed, minus times minus, yeah, will give you what? Plus. Plus times minus give you minus. Plus times plus give you what? Plus. Okay. Now what I need to times, that'll give you 6, and when you add, give you 7. So save much of our time. We'll be using 1 and 6. Okay. Here we have a y squared plus y plus 6y plus 6 equals 0. Okay. There's an imaginary one here. Okay. So the coefficient of y here is 1. So there's no need of putting 1 here. Okay. Now, what is common between y squared and y? What is common? What is common is what? Y. Okay. Open bracket. If you use this y to divide this y square, it give you y plus. If you use this y to divide this y, it give you 1. Okay. Plus. What's common between 6y and 6? What is common is what? 6. Do you understand? 6. Okay. 6 divided by 6y give you what? Y. 6 divided by 6 give you 1 equals 0. Okay. Now we have to y plus y 1, y plus 1. You have to pick 1. Okay. We have here y plus 6 into bracket y plus 1 equals 0. Okay. Now we have here y plus 6 equals 0, or y plus 1 equals 0. Do you understand? Now we have here y equals, when you use plus to cause sign of equals to turn to minus, or y when you use this plus to cause sign of equals to turn to what? Minus. So the answer is y equals to minus 6 or minus 1. This is your what? Answer. Okay. Now I'm doing this example number 2. This example number 2. 3a squared minus 6, 3a squared minus 11a plus 6 equals 0. Now the coefficient of a square is 3. You use the coefficient of a square to multiply this 6. It gives you what? 18. That is 6 times 3 equals 18. So what I need to times, that will give you 18. And when you add, it will give you what? Minus 11. So I'll be using 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Okay? 2 and what? 9. If you 2 times 9, we give you 18. 2 times 9 will give you what? 18. Okay. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 9 will give you what? Minus 11. That is, you are owing me 2 naira, and you are owing another person naira, 9 naira. So the money that owing answer is what? Minus 11 naira. Okay. Now we're using 3a squared. Okay. Minus 9a minus 2a plus 6 equals 0. Okay. Now, what is common between 3a squared and 9? What is common is what? 3 is common. Okay. 3a is common. Okay. 3a is common. If you use this 3a to divide this 3a squared, it gives you 3a minus, if you use this 3a to divide this 9a, it give you what? 3 into bracket. Look at your minus here, minus 2. What's coming between 2a and 6? What's common is what? 2. Okay? 2 into bracket. If you use this 2 to divide minus 2a, you give you what? A. Don't forget, I said minus